Geometrical and optical isomerism shown by optical and geometrical isomerism shown by you see option A platinum ammonium 2 chloride and option 2 platinum ammonia 4 Cl2 and option C platinum ethylene diamine Cl2 option 4 platinum ethylene diamine 3. So optical and geometrical isomerism shown by, so in this complex there are 2 ammonias, 2 chlorines. So this is square planar complex. So cis trans only applicable, only cis trans, only 2 isomers can be shown this. And in this case this is octahedral complex. So 4+2 coordination number 6 ligands mean octahedral complex. Here A4B2 type. So here also cis trans isomerism can be shown, but not optical isomerism. Now, and option C if you see, in this case the isomers, platinum it can be shown so cis trans. This is also octahedral complex. Here ethylene diamine, 2 ethylene diamines and 2 chlorines. This is a trans compound. And if you write a cis compound, so ethylene diamine, chlorine. If 2 chlorines are adjacent, this is a cis compound. So trans and cis geometrical isomers. And in this case, cis compound also shows optical isomerism. Because absence of plane of symmetry. So there is no plane of symmetry. We can't cut into equal halves. So which these cis compounds, these 2 are cis only, but this is a dextrorotatory, this is a levorotatory. One is dextrorotatory, one is levorotatory. So these compounds, these particular compounds, cis trans, both can be exist, but trans due to presence of plane of symmetry, we can cut into equal halves. But it is not cut into equal halves. This is 3-dimensionally, it is not possible to cut equal halves. So cis have optical isomerism, trans does not. Which of the following has maximum delta O? Delta O means crystal field stabilization energy in octahedral complex. CSFE, crystal field stabilization energy. CSFE. Crystal field stabilization energy in octahedral complex, that is delta, which is the maximum. So delta O is always directly proportional to ligand field strength. So crystal field stabilization, octahedral complex, crystal field stabilization energy is directly proportional to ligand field strength. Among these 4 options, here cyanoligand, here oxalato-ligand, here water ligand, here ammonia ligand. So ligand field strength, if you see ligand field strength, cyanide is a strong field ligand, then after ammonia, then after water, then after oxalato-ligand. So cyanide is a strong field ligand. So more delta O value is for first option. Here nickel tetracarbonyl complex. Here nickel outermost electronic configuration 3d8 4s2 3d8 4s2. Here carbonyl is neutral ligand 0, so nickel oxidation state also 0. And here carbonyl is a strong field ligand. Strong field ligand. In the presence of strong field ligand, these two electrons jump into 3d orbital. So the new configuration 3d10 4s0, then 4p also present 0, and 4d also present 0 electronic configuration is present. So 3d10 means we can write like this, and s orbital and 3p orbitals. So this is 3d10 4s0 4p0. So 3d10 configuration means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 electrons. Now the coordination number is 4, so we require 4 empty orbitals sp3. So hybridization is sp3 hybridization. So hybridization is sp3, and sp3 means shape is tetrahedral shape, and this is outer orbital complex. If 3d is not involved, that is outer orbital. If 3d is involved, that is inner orbital. So outer orbital complex, outer orbital complex. Dipole moment equal to 0 because no unpaired electrons. This is a diamagnetic because no unpaired electrons. This is a diamagnetic, no unpaired electrons, so diamagnetic substance. And also here spin paired, all electrons are paired, so spin paired. Low spin complex, this is also called low spin complex. And if you see about this complex, same nickel configuration. Here nickel is +2 because cyano is -1, so 4 cyano is 4 -2 means here nickel +2 oxidation state. So configuration 3d8 4s2. Nickel +2 means 3d8 4s0 4p0 480 4p0. Now 3d8 here cyano also strong field, cyanide also strong field ligand, so that's why the nickel configuration, if you see 3d8 4s0 and 4p0, 3d8 4s0 4p0. So 3d8 strong field ligand means all electrons must be paired. So there are 4 empty orbitals because coordination number 4. So that's why 4 empty orbitals are required. 1 2 3 4. So that's why hybridization is DsP2 hybridization. DsP2 hybridization means square planar complex. And this is 3d is involved, so inner orbital complex. 3d involved, so inner orbital complex. Dipole moment mu equal to 0, there is no unpaired electrons. And magnetic nature, this is also diamagnetic substance. This is again low spin because all electrons are paired. This is low spin complex. Next to this complex, if you see, same nickel oxidation state is +2, same configuration, nickel +2, directly I am writing 3d8 4s0 4p0. Now 3d8 means 1 2 3d8 4s0 4p0. By filling the electrons, here chlorine is the weak field ligand. So in the case of weak field ligand, Hund's rule is followed. Mean after filling these 5 d orbitals, then only pairing is start. So that's why 3d8 configuration mean after filling half field 1 2 3 4 5, next to 6 7 8. Now the coordination number is 4, so that's why 4 empty orbitals, 1 2 3 4. So the hybridization is sp3 hybridization. Again sp3 hybridization and shape. If sp3 hybridization, then shape is a tetrahedral, and also this is a outer orbital complex because 3D is not involved. And next here there are 2 unpaired electrons, so 2 unpaired electrons, so that's why mu equal to under root 2 into 2 plus 1, and next there are 2 unpaired electrons. This is a paramagnetic, that is equal to 2.08 bm, will get Bohr magnetons. Next this is paramagnetic substance, and also this is high spin complex, because 2 unpaired electrons are there, so this is a high spin complex.